basket on jersey number. Now Bacani, Fars, basket.
They work to nothing run. Para sa ating pictures, batch 91. Now Mendoza from the park.
Pass, Janicio, Fars. 19, masyadong nabakal yung pasa, pero nandoon si Mr. Castro and the putback gets the back. 5 seconds to work with. Wala po tayong reset dyan, basket on Mr. Terminator.
Now Mr. Gamboa basket.
Now Janicia, 3 against 1. Now Fars, basket.
20, Fars, 6 and 5, negative. Now rebound on jersey number 3, pull up. Basket on Mr. Zaldi. 7-7. Now Mendoza. Running shot, basket.
Now Mr. Lampa, pass and Basil. Timeout.
Now Mr. Zaldi. Pass now. Gamboa. Basket on Mr. Gamboa.
King Cup na tayo. Mr. Lampa, basket on Mr. Lampa. Now Basil number 25. Lays up, basket on Mr. Basil, the long hammer. Very good. Now Basil once again underneath. The basket, 27-11. Now Basil underneath. Lampa drives. Basket on Mr. Lampa.
Now Gamboa. Basket. Back-to-back 2 points.
Now number 26. Pass to the flamethrower. Very good. Now Basil underneath gets the basket. Now teardrop basket. Now number 14, Angeles, all the way from Balibago. Basket on Mr. Angeles. Now number 44, basket on number 26. Basket tayo.
Sulao. On spot. Basket. What on that one?
Now Janicio leads. Basket on Mr. Janicio. Now teardrop. Basket on Mr. Janicio. Now here comes the pink shirt. 4 against 2. Lays up. Basket on Mr. Janicio.
Bounce pass. Saldi to Gamboa. Basket on number 14.
44-19. Now Mr. Kalilu. Teardrop. Basket. Now Kalilu Fars. Simmons. Basket. Timeout.
So basket. Mr. Gamboa. Basket on Gamboa. Now wait for the buzzer.
Now Gamboa drives. Gets the basket. Make up.
Pass on Tunisia. Now 1 against 2. Turned off basket.
On Mars, no good. Now underneath. Gets the basket once again. With a foul. He fires. That's a 3.
Now Sablu. Ubnas. Basket on number 11, Mr. Laksa.
Now they have 8 seconds to work with. Basket on number 20.
Now he fires. Basket. Now Sablu fires. Basket on Mr. Sablu.
Now Magpayo, basket off the glass. Now Gamboa gets the basket.
Now he fires. Basket on Mr.
On the game clock. Now Mr. Saldi. Basket on Mr. Now number 14. Basket on Gamboa.
Off, so there's a foul. Safe out before the shot. Safe out.
Okay, the playing coach. Pass on Calabao. Basket on the zone 2. On Mr. Calabao. The other side. Now, Fars basket. Agawang tira. Third off basket.
Basket to number 26.
Now, Zaldi lays up. Basket. Timeout po tayo. Pink shirts. Boa. Now, Gamboa drives inside. Goes reverse. On Mr.
Now number 44 from downtown. I'm down to Bringer. Now is a basket from Mr. Robin. Now Galajao number 10. Bars, basket on Mr. Galajao.